Well, they're definitely honest when it comes to their reviews of whatever it is that I give them. Are you going to talk to people? Tell them what we're doing here? It's taping.
It's taping.
Go ahead and say hello, Mom.
Hello, Mom. Hi, everybody. As you see, I'm still in Lorrie's control. She's still the boss of me.
I'm the boss of her. So look what I get to do.
She's been after me to do this since the last time. When did you do it the last time?
That's about a year ago.
About a year ago?
Oh, that's sweet. You just comb it through.
Just comb it through.
Oh, yeah.
And then what do I do with it?
Well, then we let it dry.
And then what?
And when you wash it again, it'll wash right out. Okay, well, I think that's going to be it, Mom.
Different people have different methods of defrosting their windshields.
What do you think?
While warming up the car and scraping is tiny something, it's not really dangerous. Some people try hot water. That actually is dangerous. When the temperature of the windshield goes from freezing to hot, that can cause the windshield to crack.
Well, you are.
When you spray the mixture
Oh,
on
yeah,
your
I can
windshield,
really
the ice
see.
will start to magically disappear. The reason that this method is so effective is that rubbing alcohol has a much lower freezing point than water does.
That's the way it's supposed to go.
Oh, yeah, look, and you got some blue and some green. We'll let it dry, and then we'll give it a good brush, and then it'll look really beautiful.
I trust you. Not.
I don't trust anybody in my family.
You trust me?
Not.
Not. Let's have a look, folks. At MeMaws' beautiful hair. Look how pretty that looks. Can't wait till it dries and see how beautiful she is. Check her out. Now, is that not awesome or what? See what happens when I'm in control?
Oh.
Turn your head to look that way. Look at how pretty that is. I love the teal and the purple. I'm not so keen on the red. But it was good for a first time. Next time I have to have something that I can get her wet with, so that her hair stays wet longer, because once the hair dries, the chalk doesn't go on anymore. And this is going to wash off when she washes her hair.
If I ever wash my hair.
If she ever washes her. She may not, because it's so, so beautiful. You look like a movie star.